Hello students, this is a very common type of question where you are asked to find the position of a person in a row, or you may be asked to find the total number of persons in a row with given some information. So before attempting this question, let us try to get some facts. For example, suppose there are three persons standing in a row: person A, person B, and person C. This side is the left side and this side is the right side. So now if we count from right, A is the first position. We are counting from here left, B is in second position, and C is in third position. Please try to understand what I am telling, then you will be able to solve bigger questions much faster. Now counting from right, this is the right side. From counting from the right end, C is the first person, B is the second person, and A is the third person. Now my dear little friends, how many total persons are there? There are total 3 persons are there standing in a row. What is the position of B? Position of B from left. The position from B from left is 2. Position of B from right is 2, and if we add these two positions, position from right and position from left, we will get 4. And you can see that this 4 is equal to the total number of person, which is equal to 3 plus 1. So this is one thing we have deduced. Now let us take one more example. We are trying to figure out something through some examples. Please keep patience so that you will understand what I mean by my explanations. Suppose there are total 5 persons in a row: A, B, C, D, and E. Now from left hand side, the position of A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, and E is 5. Position from right end, E is the first person, B is the second, D is the second person, C is the third person, B is the fourth person, A is the fifth person. Now let us add the positions of say A. The position from A from left is 1 and position of A from right is 5. So this is equal to 6. Similarly, for B, position of B from left is 2, position of B from right is 4. To add, this is also 6. Similarly for C, if we add 3 plus 3, position from both ends are same, this is equal to 6. Similarly, D is also 6, E is also 6. And this 6, the position, if we add the position from any of the, from both ends, if we add the position from both ends, respectively, we will get some value. So here we can see that this 6 is equal to the total number of persons plus 1. So this is one example. Let us take one more example. Suppose there are number of persons is equal to, suppose is 8. So from left hand side, let us say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I hope there are 8 persons. Now if we count from left end, A is 1, B is 2, C is the third person, B is fourth, E is fifth, F is sixth, G is seventh, H is eighth person. Now counting from right end, H is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Now let us add the respective positions of each of the person. For A, 1 plus 8 is 9. For B, 2 plus 7 is 9. C is 9. D is again 9. E, 5 plus 4, 9. F, 6 plus 3, 9. G, 7 plus 2, 9. H, 1 plus 8, 9. Again we see that addition of position from both end is equal to number of persons plus 1. So what we can do, we can generalize this, we can generalize this finding in equation like this. Suppose we are representing position by p, so position from right plus position from left is equal to total number of persons represented by n plus 1. So this can also be written as, if they are standing in a row where there are no rights and left, but there are front and position from say back end is equal to n plus 1. This does not matter whether you are counting from left or right, or from the front end or the back end. Position from one end plus position from another end is equal to total number of persons plus 1. So this is a generalized formula for solving any type of question related to positions. Now let us get into our question. So what we have learned? We have learned that position from one end plus position from another end equal to total number of persons plus 1. So here in this question you are given that Harish is standing in ninth position. Harish is standing in ninth position from the left end. So position from left end is equal to 9. P for position, L for left. Position from left end is equal to 9, and it is given the total number of persons is equal to 21. You have to find out the position from right end. So position from right end is the something which you have to find out. With reference to our formula, we have just found position from left end plus position from right end is equal to n plus 1. So position from left end is 9, position from right end we have to find out, and n is equal to 21 plus 1. Now I think you should be able to find out. So 9 plus position from right equal to 21 plus 1 is 22, which implies position from right is equal to 22 minus 9, because 9 plus something equal to 22. It means this variable is equal to 22 minus 9. So 22 minus 9, if you calculate 22 minus 9 is 12 minus 9 is 3. So 1 remaining 13, which is equal to 13. So position from right is 13. The position from of Harish from right is 13. So A 13th is the correct answer to this question. So my dear little friends, these questions are very common in Olympiads, in all the Olympiads, whether it's SF, IMO, Silver Zone or NSTSC or UCO. You should have a fundamental understanding of this question, and you should be able to solve these questions very fast. If you have the understanding of this particular notion, then it will not be very difficult to answer such questions. For example, if you see this question, you see that in ninth position, and left hand is 9 position, from right hand is unknown, so PR total number of person is 21. 21 plus 1 is 22, so position from right equal to 22 minus 9, which is 13. So you should be able to solve such type of question within 30 seconds to be able to get good marks in maths Olympiads. Thank you. Keep practicing with Decode Monk.